Hello everyone, welcome to Hello Friends Chemistry channel. My name is Uma Shankar. In this video I am going to talk about solutions class 4. In solution class 2 and class 3 I am going to discuss about the what is the concentration terms, temperature dependent and temperature independent terms. Now in this video I am going to talk about what is the numerical problems of the temperature dependent and temperature independent terms and interconversion term in density. Okay friends, now start this section and see this board. Now the first important numerical problem, question 1 is the a decimolar solution of H2SO4 plus water is prepared, then find out normality and strength of the solution. Okay friends, this is the question. A decimolar solution of H2SO4 plus H2O is prepared, then find out normality and strength of the solution. Friends, in this questions is present in the competitive exams, how to solve this type of questions. Now this type of questions is solved is like this. First of all, this is the decimolar. Friends, first of all, what is deci? Deci means 10 to the power of minus 1. This is called as decimolar, means molarity. Friends, in the question, in the given question is the molarity is given in the question. Now we have to solve the normality and strength. First of all, this is the H2SO4. H2SO4 is a solute and H2O is a solvent. Okay friends, now we have to solve them. Now we have to find out the normality. Normality is equal to the molarity into n factor. Okay friends, normality is equal to the molarity. Molarity is given in the question, that is called as 1 by 10 molar into n factor. Okay friends, now n factor, what is the n factor of the solute H2SO4? Friends, this is the H2SO4. H2SO4 is a strong acid. It is dissociated to the 2H plus SO4 2 minus. In the number of H plus ions is present in the aqueous medium, that is called as n factor of the acids. In the case H2SO4 is a 2H plus ions is present in the aqueous solution. Now the n factor value is 2. Okay friends, now n factor value is 2 and 2 ones are 2 5. The normality is equal to the 1 by 5 normal. Okay friends, this is the normality. Now strength is equal to the molarity into molecular mass of solute. Okay friends, now molarity of this given in the question is 1 by 10. Molecular mass of solute H2SO4. Friends, H2SO4 molecular mass is 98. Because of the 2 hydrogens is present in there. Now the molecular mass is 2, hydrogens is 2 and sulfur is 32 and oxygen is 16 4s are 64. Finally this is the 98 is the molecular mass of the solute H2SO4. Molecular mass is 98. Finally strength is equal to 9.8. The units is grams per liter. Okay friends, molarity units is moles per liter, molecular mass is units is grams per moles. Moles is cancelled. Now 9.8 grams per liter is the strength of the solution. This normality is the 1.5 is the normal. Okay friends, this type of question is the molarity, normality, strength. These three are the temperature dependent terms. Now how to solve this kind of problems is like this, but in case temperature independent terms is present in the question, now how to calculate that kind of problems. This is clear friends, this is arise. Friends, question 2 is the 2 molar urea plus water solution is prepared and the density of solution is 1.2 grams per cc. Then find out molarity. Okay friends, these type of questions is asked for the exam. So how to calculate these type of questions. This is the 2 molar urea plus water is prepared and the density of the solution is 1.2 grams per cc. Then find out the molarity of the solution. Friends, generally this kind of problems is this is the molarity. Molarity is the temperature dependent terms. This molarity is the temperature independent terms. Now this density is the interconversion term in temperature dependent and temperature independent terms. Okay friends, now how to solve this kind of problems. Now this is the 2 molar urea plus H2O solution. Now 2 molar means number of moles of solute by 1 liter volume of solution, that is called as molarity. Now the 2 molar means 2 moles of solute is present in the 1 liter volume of solution, that is called as 2 molarity. Okay friends, 2 molarity means number of moles of solute by 1 liter volume of solution, that is called as molarity. Now 2 molar 2m means 2 moles of solute by 1 liter volume of solution, that is called as 2m. Okay friends, now the given in the question is the volume of solution. Volume of solution is 1 liter and number of moles of solute is 2. This is the given in the question. Okay friends, 2 molar means 2 moles of solute is present in the 1 liter volume of solution, that is called as 2 molar. Now the volume of solution is 1 liter, number of moles of solute is 2. This is the given in the question. Okay friends, this is the given in the question. Now we have to calculate the molarity. Okay friends, now in these type of questions is now we have to representation a one table. The table is like this. First of all, solute, what is the data for the solute and what is the data for the solvent and what is the data for the solution. Okay friends, now solute is small amount like this, solvent is large amount, and solution is solute plus solvent. Okay friends, this is solute, solvent and solution. Okay friends, first of all solute. Now what is the data for the solute? Solute is the number of moles of solute is the given in the question is 2. N value is 2, number of moles of solute. Now solution, volume of solution is 1 liter. Now this 1 liter volume of solution. Okay friends, now this 1 liter volume of solution is converted to the 1 liter volume of solution is converted to the ml. This is the 1000 ml. Okay friends, now density is present in the question. Density is equal to the 1.2 grams per cc. Now 1 cc is equal to the 1 ml. Now this is the grams per ml. Now density is given, volume is given. Now we have to calculate the weight. Okay friends, density is equal to the weight by volume. Now what happened friends, weight is equal to the density into volume. Okay friends, now density of this question, density is the 1.2 grams per ml, and what is the volume? Volume is given in the question is 1000 ml. Okay friends, this ml and ml is cancelled. 1.2 into 1000 is the 1200 grams. Okay friends, 1200 grams is the weight of solution. This is the weight of solution is 1200 grams, and number of moles of the solute is 2. Now this number of moles of solute is 2. Now find out the weight of this molecular mass of the solute. Molecular mass of this solute is the molecular mass of the solute is the solute is the urea. Urea is the solute. Urea molecular formula is NH2C double bond O NH2. Okay friends, molecular mass of the urea is 60. Okay friends, because of the two nitrogens, each nitrogen is the molecular mass is 14, 2 is the 28, and this is the carbon molecular mass is 12, and oxygen is 16, and 4 hydrogens. Finally, this is the 4 plus 6 plus 2, and this is the 0, and this is the 2. 60 is the molecular mass of the urea, NH2C double bond O NH2. Now the molecular mass of the urea is 60. Now we have to find out the weight. Weight is equal to what happened friends? Now number of moles is equal to the weight by molecular mass. Now we have to calculate the weight. Weight is equal to the number of moles into molecular mass. Okay friends, now weight of the solute is the number of moles is 2, and molecular mass of the solute is the 6. Now the 120 grams is the weight of solute. Now this is the weight of solute, and this is the weight of solution. Now we have to find out the solvent weight. Solvent weight is the friends, solvent weight capital W is equal to solvent weight is the solution weight 1200 minus solvent weight is 120. Okay friends, this is 1080 is the solvent weight. Solvent 1080 is the solvent weight. Now this solvent weight is converted to the kgs. Now this is the 1080 by 1000. This is the converted to the kg. Okay friends, this is the weight of the solvent. Okay friends, this is the weight of the solvent, and this is the weight of the solution, and this is the weight of the solute. Now we have to find out the molarity. Simply molarity is equal to the number of moles of solute by per kg weight of solvent. The number of moles of solute is the 2. Per kg weight of solvent is the per kg weight of, this is the per kg weight of solvent is the 1080 by 1000. 1000 is the denominator. In this case, this is the numerator. Now this is the 1000. Okay friends, 0 is cancelled. Molarity is equal to the 200 by 108. This is the molarity of this question. Okay friends, this type of questions is asked for the competitive exams. Now we have to draw these data: solute, solvent, and solution. Okay friends, this is clear friends. This is erase. Now next, one more important question. Now finally, one more important question. The question is this is very important friends. The question is the 4% weight by weight solution of NaOH plus H2O is prepared. The density of solution is 1.5 grams per cc. Then find out molarity and molality and normality and mole fraction of NaOH and strength of solution. Okay friends, this is very important friends. This type of questions is asked for the competitive exams. Now how to solve this kind of problems. The question is the 4% weight by weight solution of NaOH plus H2O is prepared. The density of the solution is 1.5 grams per cc. Then find out the molality, normality, mole fraction of NaOH and strength of the solution. Okay friends, now this is the 4% of weight by weight is the temperature independent term, and this is molarity, normality and strength is the temperature dependent terms, but this density is the interconversion term. Okay friends, now how to solve these kind of problems? First of all, now we have to draw a simple representation. What is the solute to data, solvent data, and solution data? First of all, solution, solute, and this is the solvent and solution. First of all, collect the total data of the solute, solvent, and solution. Solute, my solution, solute is represented to the like, and my solvent is like, and my solution is solute plus solvent. Solute is small amount, solvent is large amount, solution is the solute plus solvent. Okay friends, first of all, now we have to collect the data. Solute, what is the 4% of weight by weight? Weight by weight percentage is weight of solute by weight of solution. Okay friends, what is the percentage of weight by weight? Weight of solute by weight of solution into 100. This is the grams. Grams weight is the represented to the grams. Now the solution weight is the present in the given in the question is weight of solution is given in the question is 100 grams. Okay friends, now the solute weight of solute is given in the question is 4 grams. Okay friends, now this is the 4 grams of solute is present in the 100 grams of solution into 100, that is called as 4% of weight by weight solution. This is clear friends? Okay. Now this is the 4%, this is the weight of solute is 4, weight of solution is 100. Now we have to calculate the solvent weight. Solvent weight is simply, solvent weight is equal to the 100 minus 4 is 96. 96 is the solvent weight. Okay friends, this is clear friends. Now next one is the density of solution is 1.5 grams per cc. Okay friends, this is the grams. This is the grams. Now the density is equal to the 1.5 grams per cc. Now 1 cc is equal to the 1 ml. Okay friends, density is given and weight is given. Now density is equal to the weight by volume. Now find out the volume. Volume is equal to the weight by density. Now weight of the solution is the 100 by density is the 1.5 grams per ml. This is the grams. Now this grams and grams is cancelled. Now this is the multiplied to the 10. What happened friends? 1000 by 15 by 15 is the ml. Okay friends, this ml is converted to the liter. Now the volume of solution liter is the 1.15 liters. Okay friends, this is the volume of solution. Now what is the solute? Solute weight is 4. Now what is the molecular mass of solute? Now the molecular mass of solute, NaOH. Friends, NaOH is the molecular mass of NaOH is 40. Because of the Na is the 23, oxygen is the 60, this is 1. Finally, this is the 40 is the molecular mass. This is the weight is given and molecular mass is given. Now we have to find out the number of moles is the weight by molecular mass of solute. Now weight is the 4 by molecular mass is 40. Now number of moles of solute is the now number of moles of solute is 1 by 10. Okay friends, number of moles of solute is 1 by 10. And what weight of solvent in grams? Now this is converted to the kgs. Now weight of solute is converted to the kgs is 96 by 1000. Okay friends, 96 by 1000 is the weight of solvent in kgs. Now what is the number of moles? Number of moles of the solvent is equal to the what happened friends? Number of moles of solvent is the weight by molecular mass. Weight is the 96. Molecular mass of the H2O molecular mass is friends H2O molecular mass is 18. Okay friends, this is the number of moles of H2O is 96 by 80, and this is the number of moles of solute is 1 by 10. Okay friends, this is the collect the data for the solute, solvent and solution. Now we have to find out these terms simply. Okay friends, first one is the molarity. Molarity is equal to the number of moles of solute by 1 liter volume of solution. Number of moles of solute is the 4. Number of moles of solute is the 1 by 10. 1 by 10 by the volume of solution is the 1 by 15. Later finally this is the 15 by 10. Now this is the 1.5 is the 1.5. 1.5 is the molarity of the this question. And second one is the what is the molarity. Molarity is equal to the number of moles of solute is the 1 by 10 by per kg weight of solvent. Now, the weight of solvent is the 96 by 1000. 96 by 1000. This is the 96 by 1000. 0 is cancelled. Now this is the what happened, friends? 100 by 96. 100 by 96 is the molarity. 1 by 100 by 96 is the molarity of this question. And next important term is the third important term is the normality. Okay, friends, normality is equal to the molarity into n factor. Okay, friends, 1.5 into n factor. In the case this is the NaOH. NaOH is a base. The number of OH minus ions is present in the aqueous solution, that is called as n factor of the solute, n factor of the base. Now n factor is the OH minus ion is 1. OH minus ion is present in NaOH. Now n factor value is 1. This answer is 1.5. 1.5 is the normality and 1.5 is the molarity, and 1000 by 100 by 96 is the molarity. Okay, friends, this is the molarity. This is the molarity and this is the normality. And another one is the mole fraction of NaOH. Mole fraction of NaOH. This is clear, friends. This is arise. Okay, friends. Fourth one is the mole fraction of NaOH. Mole fraction of NaOH is the number of moles of NaOH by total number of moles. Number of moles of NaOH is the 1 by 10. Total number of moles of NaOH is the number of moles of solute plus number of moles of solvent. Number of moles of solvent is 96 by, this is the 1 by 10 and this is the 1 by 10 plus 96 by 18. Okay, friends, now we have to calculate this term and find out the number of moles of NaOH. Okay, friends, this is the number of moles of NaOH, and finally you have to calculate the strength. Okay, friends, now strength is equal to the molarity into molecular mass of solute. Now strength is equal to molarity is the 1.5. Now molecular mass of solute is the 40. Finally strength is equal to 1.5 into 40 is the 60 grams per liter. Okay, friends, this is the strength and this is the mole fraction of NaOH, and this is the normality, and this is the molarity, and this is the molarity. Okay, friends, this type of questions is asked for the competitive exams. First of all, you have to find out collect all the data for solute, solvent and solution. Okay, friends, these are the important numerical problems of the concentration terms like temperature dependent and temperature independent terms. Okay, friends, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.